Here's the net 10 charges on 3/20/2015. I purchased minutes plus 31 days of airtime, and that was on 3/20. Now the phone cut off because the airtime didn't take in their system, and they were so in order to fix that, I purchased 6 months of airtime here and 1,500 minutes, and that did take. So I requested a refund for this airtime, which they cannot give the airtime or a refund. So basically net 10 is basically a consumer ripoff, because if you don't catch these things, they'll rip you off. So warning, don't buy a net 10 phone. That's my opinion.